Hey, this video is part of our Vitamix 101 course.
Yeah, you can buy this course where you'll get the recipes, shopping lists, quizzes to test your knowledge, support from us, and lifetime access.
Otherwise, you can keep watching for free on YouTube. Either way, happy blending. Bye.
All right, welcome back to Vitamix 101. Lenny Gale with Life is No Yoke. Now, we've gotten a chance to get pretty good at blended drinks and try one of the most special and versatile things that a Vitamix does, and that's make nut butters. So now that we've used the tamper a little bit, let's go ahead and use it again with a frozen dessert. Now, why is this skill, making frozen desserts in your Vitamix, important? Well, anyone will tell you that when you're trying to adopt a whole food focused diet, giving up dessert is the toughest. And I totally get it. After having a meal that's salty, savory, I feel like something to cut the taste. But here's the problem. Sugar, quite simply, is a killer. Some people say it's the root of the obesity epidemic currently happening in America right now. Even celebrity chef Jamie Oliver from the UK has come out to say that sugar is terrible and particularly ruining children's teeth. Regardless, here are the facts about sugar. Sugar is addicting. They say as addicting as cocaine. 2, it causes obesity and type 2 diabetes. And 3, you can actually build a tolerance to sugar just like you would with alcohol. So yeah, sugar's a bummer. But that doesn't make us want something sweet for dessert any less. That's why frozen desserts made with nature's sugar, fruit, are so great. They satisfy our sweet tooth without any of the harmful side effects. Sure, too much fruit is not good either, but it's far better than anything with added sugar. And that's why the ability to make all natural, whole food frozen desserts in minutes is so great and solves all these issues. So when you're ready, let's go ahead and learn the fundamentals of making frozen desserts in your Vitamix. And mark this unit complete, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hi, it's Shalva Gale with Life is No Yoke. I would tell you to subscribe in a foreign language if I knew how to say it in a foreign language. But my mom just told me that of all my siblings, I'm the only one that doesn't have any skill in foreign tongues.
Yeah, ESL is her first language.
I'm pretty good at English.
Do you know Pig Latin?
Yeah.
Obscribe
say. There you go.
Subscribe say to our channel.
To our Hanelke.
Our Analche.
Analche. Gracias.
Konnichiwa.